And these are what the florals look like. Absolutely beautiful. I love how real they look, especially this one right here. I love this one. So pretty. Let me see. This one is called the mini rose bush. So this one is the mini rose bush, slightly different. This one is camellia, and the rest is camellia. So these are camellias, they're absolutely beautiful, my friends. Look how beautiful this is. Absolutely beautiful. Look. Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel, Decor and DIY with Anita. Of course, I'm your girl Anita. In today's video, I will be doing a outdoor garden flowers or floral arrangement. I have this one here that I used last year on my patio table. It already had the green in it, so I'm going to just be adding some camellia and some mini rose bush that I picked up from the Dollar Tree inside of it, and I've already cut them, my friends. Look how beautiful these are, guys. Let me show you a real close-up look of these camellias that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Absolutely beautiful. When I saw them, I said I had to get them. Look how beautiful this is. Pretty. So I'm gonna be adding these inside my floral arrangement, and this is gonna give me a pretty nice outdoor garden look. Guys, that's the look I'm going for. How beautiful is this mini rose bush? Very nice. Picked this up last week from the Dollar Tree, my friends, and I picked them up specifically to do my planter, guys, my fake outdoor plant arrangements or floral arrangements. So I've already had the foam inside of this and everything. Like I said, I did this last year and put this on my patio table last year, but I picked the flowers out and the greeneries, and now I just want to add different kind of flowers, and I feel like these camellias and mini rose bush are gonna look absolutely beautiful, my friends. So without further ado, I'm just gonna get started and do this floral arrangement, guys. So I'm gonna start off with these pink camellias. I'm just gonna place them inside like this, quick and easy, guys. No glue gun or anything like that is needed for this. Very pretty. I'm gonna be mixing them as I go along. No particular order, guys. I'm just spreading them around the planter like this. I'm just spreading them, my friends, like this, pretty much. See, I'm gonna go in with the yellow, and I'm just gonna spread it around like this. How beautiful is that looking already? Gorgeous. It looks real, like I plant them. Guys, I do not have a green thumb. I don't know how to plant, and I don't know, when I try to plant stuff, like, it never really live. I don't have a green thumb. I wish I did. I don't know, maybe I'm not doing it right. So I do these fake ones, and it looks nice. And guys, you know what's the good thing about doing these fake ones? It's like it lasts longer. You don't have to worry about watering or anything like that. It just lasts, my friends. So you don't have to worry about making real flowers, planting real flowers, because these fake ones will last, because they're not real, right? So they will definitely last. But how beautiful is this looking already? Gorgeous, my friends. And I'm almost done. Quick, simple, and easy. Look at that, my beautiful friends. Look how beautiful. This is gorgeous. I love this. Let me put this one right here. This is gorgeous. Look at this. Look at this. Now the green ones are a little bit too tall, so what I'm gonna do is spread them out like this. Have them like spreading I'm gonna bend them a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna bend them a little bit like this. So I'm bending the greenery a little bit down like this. See on this one, I'm bending it down. You see how I get them to go down, guys? I'm bending it down like this, having them a little bit lower so that the beautiful color of the flowers here could show. You see that? How pretty. Look at this. Look at this, my friends. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm loving the look. I am loving the look of this. Beautiful. Look how beautiful this is. And it looks real. Ready to go back on my patio table. This was very quick and easy. And guys, to do the foam inside, I just use my glue gun to glue the foam down inside the planter. This planter was purchased from the Dollar Tree. Everything. Absolutely everything here, guys. Everything. Let me just say everything. Everything is Dollar Tree. Everything is Dollar Tree. Beautiful. Ready to go back on my patio. Ready to go back on my patio. Look at that. So pretty. Look how pretty that turns out. I'm pleased. I'm pleased with the look of this. Very nice. If you like this, guys, give me a big thumbs up. Share this video out, my friends. And don't forget to hype the video. Hype the video up. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like this and if you're into real plants, real flowers, or if you're into the fake ones. Let me know. I love both real and fake. But like I said, I don't have a green thumb. So I go with the fake flowers, and these are pretty much durable because I don't have to worry about any watering or anything like that. And guys, a quick tip too, you could also mix in these flowers inside your real ones. You could definitely mix fake with real flowers. You could definitely do that. Look how pretty this turned out. I am loving this. Let me see if I could get a quick thumbnail. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Let's see if I could get a quick. Hold on. Should I hold it on this side or this side? Let's see. Okay, my friends, I'm gonna be doing another DIY, so stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please go right ahead and hit that subscribe button. Become a part of the Decor and DIY family. I would love to have you here. So go right ahead, hit the subscribe button. Put your post notification bell on. That's the arrow beside the subscription button. Hit the arrow and select. Also, that way you won't miss out on any of my future videos, my friends. Stay tuned. Don't go nowhere because I'm going to be doing another DIY, guys. This is my spring DIY series, guys. You don't want to miss it. I'm going to be doing a bunch of DIYs for you, getting you ready for your spring decorating. Not spring, your summer decorating, guys. Stay tuned.